Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making some Christmas cards using the Very Best Occasion stamp set and the Celebrate Everything Host Designer Series paper. Okay, as you can see, I already have all the stuff laid out because we're going to be making 9 cards. So before we get started, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have here the birthday card organizer kit. I have shown you videos on this. It is a great, awesome kit for a perpetual birthday calendar and cards. And this is the item number and cost. You can find that at stampinup.com/kits. And this is our November paper pumpkin kit from the North Pole. You have until November 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. It does coordinate with October's paper pumpkin kit, the Ho 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 kit that is already passed. And we also have the 12 North Pole sacks. That is an add-on. So this is an additional product that coordinates with this these 2 paper pumpkin kits. And that is only $4 for the 12 North Pole sacks. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our Starter Kit Plus promotion that's going on until October 31st. Join now, get more with your starter kit. Get $155 worth of products for only $99 plus tax. That is a $30 extra value into this kit. You also get a past paper pumpkin kit and a business supply pack. And it ships for free. So we would love to have you join Stampin' Up. You don't have to sell or make videos or hold classes. You can just strictly join and get the discount if that's what you want to do. But, you know, you never know where it's going to go. Lastly, we have our October host code. This is the code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. But I highly suggest that you purchase the starter kit if you're going to be spending $150 because the starter kit will only cost you $99 plus tax and you're going to get $155 worth of product. So you'll be saving money there. Okay, that is all the buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started on this card kit. Well, it's not a kit. It is the sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Al for the October 2022. Okay, I've done a video on this before, but I really like this layout. And so I'm making some Christmas cards. I will do 1 card with you, and then the rest I'll speed up the camera so that we can go ahead and get it done, okay? Well, actually, I'm probably gonna, yeah, I'll do 1 card. So let's go ahead and, I'm getting a stamped image from our stamp set. And it says, may you enjoy the warmth of family this season. And we're going to stamp that in the middle at the top. And that, oh, I'm sorry. I'm stamping that in Pacific Point. Then we're going to take our liquid glue and have a piece of the designer series paper here that is 4 by 3 3/4. It's 4 by 3/4. Yes. But I'm going to have to cut it down because it should be 3 1/2. But I cut my paper at 4 by 6. So that's why that is 4 instead of 3 1/2. Okay. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to take this and we're going to glue it to another sheet of designer series paper. This is 4 by 5 1/4. All these papers are from the same pack of the designer series paper, the Celebrate Everything Host set. And then we're going to glue this to the inside of our thick basic white card base that is cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so that is the inside of our card done. We'll set that to the side so we can do the next steps. Well, I need this glue. Why am I closing it? So I have a little piece of cardstock here in Pacific Point, and we are going to take one of our strips here from the side here. Now, I'm going to link Call Me Crafty Owl's video where she lets you know how to get the PDF with all the measurements and instructions on how to cut your paper. That's why I'm not giving out any measurements to the actual front of the card, because these are her measurements, and the PDF is free. And so when I use her free PDF, the way I help her, since it's free, is by directing you to her video where she lets you know how to get it for free. So, okay, so we're going to have that piece there. Then we have another piece of the Pacific Point, and we're going to put some more pieces on this. So I had 3 sheets of designer series paper that I chose, and then I just cut it to the measurements that she gave. I cut all 3 at the same time. So then you just, so it's kind of like a, what do they call it? Stack, cut, and shuffle. So I stacked them, I cut them, and then I shuffled the pieces up so that I have one piece of each designer paper in my layout. Okay, so now we have that. Just trying to get this, okay. So now the next step, let me move some of this back out of the way. It's gonna be to stamp our outside sentiment. And we're gonna do that in the Tuxedo Memento Black ink. And this sentiment says, with a little more sparkle and a little less stress, let's make this Christmas the very best. And this is barely fitting on here, so I have to be careful. That came out great. It fits perfectly. Okay, so then I am going to take some Stampin' Blends. I have the dark shaded spruce here. And I'm going to just color these little leaves. I probably should have used the light. I don't have anything under here because this marker goes under, I mean, it bleeds through. Let me try the light. Let's see how that'll work. Yeah, I think I'm on the other ones, I'm going to use the light. But I don't want to change it on this one since I've already did in the dark. Okay. And then maybe I'll just go over this a little bit. And then we'll get some Poppy Parade, because that's the color that it's in the cards, not the cardstock, the designer series paper. Then we're going to color in our little berries here. Okay, that's it for the coloring, so that's done. Then we're going to get our glue back out. We're going to glue this down to our Pacific Point right up here. Try to line it up even at the top and try to get it even on this side here. And then this is going to go on here like that. No, it's not. Let me see. I can't remember. I think it goes all the way. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to do is put this on the card front now. That's what it is. This is going on our card front. So let's get that out. We're going to put this right in the middle. You guys, I keep saying I need to change my cutting blade, but I can't find them. And I refuse to order another pack because I have a whole pack. I just have to remember where I put it. And I didn't tell you, but when I adhered this designer series paper, I put it all the way to the end on this side. We just need the border around 3 edges. So we're gonna put this all the way to the edge of our white. Woo! I put that on too quick. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna have to use my little glue eraser once that dries a little bit. Okay, so now we have our take your pick tool, and I have the red rhinestones here. Oh, I didn't cut this one open. Okay, so let's get those out. And we're just gonna put even though the color in here is Poppy Parade, I'm gonna use red. I'll put one on this Lonely Berry down here, right there. Let's see, one right here. Oh, nope. I'll put that one there. I think that's cute. Okay. That is that card done. Okay, we're on our last set of cards, putting on our embellishments. This was fun. I don't usually like doing a multiple of the same card, but I really love this layout. So I didn't mind. I'm trying to flip that over. I didn't mind doing multiples of this because this layout is super cute. I love that it uses, allows you to use at least 3 of the designs of your designer series paper. And as you can see, I used 5 because I put 2 on the inside. So yeah, if you need to use up some designer series paper, this is a good layout to use up 6 by 6. If it's 12 by 12, just cut it down to 6 by 6, because that's what I did. And that's where you'll start, because this sheet load of cards is special for 6 by 6, because she usually does 12 by 12. So here are all 9 cards that this October 2022 sheet load of cards makes. Isn't it cute? I love this layout. I love this stamp set. Again, that is the very best occasions: birthdays, comfort, thinking of you, love, Christmas. Very nice. And again, the Celebrate Everything Host Designer Series paper. Okay, you guys, that is it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.